Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to make a video. It's been a long time since I actually recorded something on the channel. As you can see, it's super cold outside. So we're gonna make this quick because I'm kind of freezing already. Today I want to talk to you about my Honda Element and talk to you about the storage net that I have. So I got a blue one. My car's got like, you know, the blue accents, the blue up here. So this is my storage net. It's two of them combined. See down the middle, I have them combined here, combined there, all the way across. And so they just have one hook goes into there, the other hook goes into the same thing on the other side. And then for each front side, I just have it coming right onto the, right there. And you can see the door closes. Perfect, no problems whatsoever with it. That was like the simplest thing I could figure out how to do. And then the back just goes around the seat belt like that. Can you see it? So I usually just carry like an inflatable pillow. I've got like a long sleeve Volcom thermal and like an old towel. I usually keep like a jacket back there too. So yeah, just you know, take it and so I take it and I chuck it up there. The thing with the net is you can't really leave it like this. You have to move it kind of against the wall. Like I got the hats over there. You kind of have to move it against the wall. Anyways, super quick video. I just want to show you guys the net. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can pick it up. I just got it on eBay. It was like $6 each, or $12, or I can't remember. You'll see the link. So check it on out. All right, guys, stay warm. Bye.